Hi, this is Kavitharia. I just want to walk you through another short video here where I'm talking about meta tags and how they will help you to increase your search rankings in the search engines like Google, and also how they will get you more visitors, and then how you can add the code to your website. First of all, meta tags provide metadata about the web page. So if they're not things that you can see on the web page, they're not things that you can see when you're visiting a site, but there are things that are behind the site, inside the code, that search engines like Google, Yahoo, AltaVista, MSN will all pick up and help in their search rankings. There are specifically three types or three groups of meta elements. The first is called meta descriptions, which we'll come on to explain shortly. The second one is called meta keywords, and the third one is called meta author. And they usually sit within the head tags of your HTML code. HTML is something that I'm going to explain in an upcoming video, but if you don't know what it is, bear with me for a few moments and I'll explain shortly. How does meta tags help your site? How does it help my site? Simply put, meta tags are picked up by search engines and help your site come up with the rankings when someone searches for an associated keyword. Let me explain that very simply. If, for example, somebody is looking for dog belts as their search engine keyword, and it is a keyword in your site because it's related to what your site is about, Google will be able to pick it up because it crawls your meta tags, it understands what's going on in your meta tags, and it'll help them list your site in the rankings. So the meta description, or the meta keywords, are basically all keywords related to what your site is about, and the description is basically a one or two liner sentence that describes what your site is about. And ideally each page of your site should have a different meta description, although the keywords may be the same. So that, again, just to summarize, the meta description is a one line or one sentence description about that particular web page. Make it benefit orientated, so when the reader reads that line in the search engines, they'll want to click and visit your website. I'll share with you a sample soon. So just to summarize exactly what meta tags are. There are specific keywords and descriptions that help people associate it and identify what your site is about. And there are things that people can see not on your website, but behind the code. And it's only for search engines to crawl and see what basically you've written, so that in Google it'll come up and show. For example, if we open up here a web page and type in dog belts in Google, this description here is a meta tag that that particular site has put into their code. And if you have a meta description in your site, when somebody searches your site, that is exactly what will come in, something that you specifically have put to help people identify what your site is about. So this is the code that you need to insert. It looks very complicated, but actually it's pretty simple. There are only three things there you need to notice. The first is the bits in blue, the description, the keywords, and where it says your name. In the meta description area, you want to write one line about what your site is about. In the keywords area, you want to put 10, 15 specific keywords relating to your website, and where it says your name, you'll just put your name as the author of the website. This is code that you can simply just copy if you pause the video right now, and then put into the head tags. If you don't know any of this, just get your web designer to do it for you. Most web designers miss this kind of stuff out, but they should be doing it for you, and it's stuff that they'll know very much how to do. Here's an example. For the description, I've put, learn how to promote your music and sell more music with these music marketing strategies. That is the description. If somebody goes to my website, that is the description they will see. Meta name are the keywords there: music marketing, music promotion, music business, songwriting, sell more CD, CD baby, Kavitharia, inside a music business, and then again the author name has my name there. So there you have some very simple example on the meta description, the meta keywords, and the meta author. Go back again, pause the video here, copy this out, and put it on your website, on every single one of your web pages, and make the description unique on every single one of the web pages. And until next time, I'll see you very soon.